Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the shutter transition effects in CapCut. So if you want to give your videos a professional cinematic look, in this guide, I'll show you how you can create the smooth shutter transition effects in CapCut. So here, you can just open your videos in CapCut, and then if you have long videos, you need to trim it into a shortened one. So I'm suggesting you to trim it to around 0.7 to 9 seconds each. So here I'm going to trim my video. Okay, now once you are done with trimming the video, you can click on this transition and find the wipe down transition. You can find it under the basic category just search for it directly on the search bar. Tap on the swap down and click on apply to all to make sure that it apply to all clips. Click on a check icon and now just export this project. Okay, once the video is done exporting, now you can open it in a new project. Click on add, click on a video, and in here swipe until you find the motion blur options. This one, set this blur and blend to around 70 or 75, and here don't change the directions and times. And now just tap on the check icon. Now CapCut will applying the motion blur effects to your clip. Let's just wait. Okay, so now it will be done in okay, so this is the final look. So if needed, you can also speed up your clip. Just tap on speed, normal. Here I'm going to speed it up 1.5 times. Click on a check icon and this is it. Now you can also add the shutter sound effects for extra realism by going to audio and click on sound effects and find shutter sound effects. So that's all from me. You can just follow along and transfer your videos with this must try transition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.